Using discussion diagrams in the writing studio. Today I want to discuss with you how you can use a discussion diagram to gauge the degree of collaboration during your writing studio sessions. It's actually a fairly simple process to fill out one of these, but you can derive insights to improve your practice as a writing studio leader by looking at them. It's very simple to fill out a discussion diagram. The first thing you want to do is to draw a shape that represents the table that you're using for your session. We have mostly ovals in our session, so I'll use an oval for this example. Put a square for yourself and put that square wherever you're sitting. You want to use circles for the students who are attending your session. If you'll be analyzing your discussion diagram sometime well after the session, put initials or student names so you can remember who's who. Then you want to use arrows to indicate the flow of the discussion. Use one-sided arrows for one-direction communication and two-sided arrows for two-direction communication. Here's an example of a filled-out writing studio discussion diagram. Let's take a minute to do a little bit of analysis. Notice, for example, that the writing studio leader never directly addresses student number 4. You'll also notice that student number 4 only has 3 interactions. This student isn't participating much. As a writing studio leader, you want to make sure you address every student to make them welcome, and you'd also want to make sure that you redirect the student so he or she interacts with other students. Look at student 2 and student 5. Notice that these students have 6 arrows each, much more than the other students in the studio session. These students are probably dominating discussion, and what you want to do is to make sure you make plenty of space for other students to participate. Student 3 and student 6 are in the middle of the pack, and they're probably exactly where they need to be. That's it. Please complete a follow-up activity in Blackboard.